Introduction. The Passenger Address System, PA, is used to broadcast information from the flight deck. Attendant's handset. Optional passenger entertainment and pre-recorded announcement system. The PA system supplies the logic for the chimes and lights associated with the flight attendant, passenger, and flight deck calls. The PA system enables the pilots and flight attendant to address the passengers through speakers located throughout the cabin. The speakers are installed in the passenger service units, or PSU, above the passenger seats in the cabin. Additional speakers are provided in the lavatory and galley. The galley speaker is muted when the flight attendant makes PA announcements. The PA is programmed to respond to priority logic. The pilots are the first in the order of priority. All other PA messages are overridden when the pilot pushes the PA switch on the intercom control unit. The flight attendant is next in the order of priority. The attendant can interrupt the optional entertainment system by using the PA switch on the attendant's control panel. PA system controls. The PA system includes the following controls: flight deck interphone control unit, flight attendant handset cradle assembly, attendant call switches on the PSU. PA volume is adjusted automatically for aircraft background noise. The PA output is at full volume when an engine or the APU is running. Interphone control unit. An interphone control unit is located on the center pedestal. It has 4 momentary action control switches: PA, chime, call, emergency. When any push button is pressed, the corresponding mode is selected. Only one mode can be active at any one time. Selecting another mode deactivates the previous mode. PA switch light. The PA switch light is used to make PA announcements in the passenger cabin. The pilot has priority over all other PA announcements. To make an announcement, the pilot must select the ACP transmit switch to PA. Press the PA switch light. Use either the radio transmit switch on the control wheel, the RTIC switch, or the handheld microphone to transmit. When in use, the PA switch light is illuminated on the interphone control unit and on the cabin attendant's handset cradle unit. Upon completing the PA announcement, moving the ACP transmit switch from the PA position resets the PA switch light and reconfigures the ACP for external radio communication. Chime switch. The chime switch sounds a high-low chime in the cabin. There is no light in the chime switch, nor does a light illuminate in the cabin. The chime switch is used by some operators to advise the flight attendant to complete preparations for takeoff or landing. Call switch light. The call function is the normal method used to communicate between compartments. The call function consists of a call switch light on the flight deck's interphone control unit, or ICU, and a flight switch light on the flight attendant's handset cradle. When either switch light is pressed, both lights illuminate. A 2-tone chime sounds, and a red or white, customer option, light illuminates on the mid-cabin overhead exit sign. Emergency switch light. The emergency switch light is used during an in-flight emergency. The emergency system consists of emergency switch lights on the flight deck ICU and on the flight attendant handset cradle. When either switch light is pressed, both lights continuously flash, a high-low chime sounds, and a red or white, customer option, light flashes on the mid-cabin overhead exit sign. Flight attendant handset. The forward attendant handset is installed at the forward attendant position, to the left of the entrance door. The handset allows audio communication with the flight deck and within the passenger cabin. When installed, an optional aft attendant handset is located behind the last row of seats on the left side of the cabin. Passenger. PA announcements are made when the handset is removed from the switch hook. PA switch light is selected. PTT switch on the handset is pressed and held. Flight deck. The flight attendant's handset has a hot mic mode. If the handset is removed from the cradle when the flight or emergency switch light is illuminated, the handset is connected directly to the flight deck intercom system. Attendant call button. An attendant call button is provided for the passengers on the overhead passenger service units, or PSU. When a passenger presses the attendant call button, the cabin speakers emit a high-tone chime. An amber light illuminates on the associated PSU. Passenger signs. When the no smoking or seatbelt switches in the flight deck are selected to on, the cabin speaker sounds a low-tone chime and ICAS status messages appear. The no smoking and seatbelt signs illuminate throughout the passenger cabin. Entertainment system. An optional passenger entertainment system can be installed. The player supplies passenger boarding music and pre-recorded announcements to be played over the PA system. Service interphone system. The service interphone system provides intercommunication between the flight deck and various service and maintenance areas. During ground operations, the service interphone system lets the flight crew talk to maintenance personnel at the following locations: external service panel, refuel-defuel control panel, avionics bay, aft equipment bay. Mechanic switch light. A call function is provided between the flight deck and the external service panel. The circuit consists of a cockpit call switch light on the external service panel and a mechanic call switch light on the upper center pedestal. When either switch light is pressed, both lights illuminate and a two-tone chime sounds in the aircraft. The lights remain on for 30 seconds, then extinguish.